It's like a war in the city. Yeah. It's like a war in the city. Every day blood are running in the city. Take me away, I want to go. I'm fearful for my life and my family, but where to go I don't know. I've got dreams and aspirations. I wanna follow that star. Yes, I'm too young to die, and if I stay here I won't get far.
Welcome to Wellington. Behind us is parliamentary buildings. Building over there. Also Beehive, so our White House. So our Capitol building, the Beehive, is right there. So all the government and parliament people all do their business and all that stuff. So here we have it, the massive parliamentary buildings. Meant to be tunnels under here. Do not know where, but meant to be tunnels to go all under these buildings. So that's our Beehive.
What about the guy that rode the tractor? That's why they got the barriers there.
Oh yeah, that's
the tractor right up there. Yeah.
This is the White House of New Zealand, not our capital city. We've entered. It's still my favourite city in New Zealand. Pretty cool place. So, for sure, love full money. But there goes our flag flying up there in the wind. It's a windy day. Not too bad day here in Wellington. It's a pretty cool building though. What does this say? Pretty awesome building. What's this say? There you go. Show you what that says. Can't actually see, probably can't reach. Can you read that? I can't really read it myself. Hard to read, isn't it? It's a little top shit. The tunnels. Pretty cool, eh? So, in somewhere, maybe behind these doors, who knows, there's old tunnels. So in case all the parliament people can jump to the tunnels and escape. I'm guessing. Who knows what's behind these doors? What's this one here say? Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of New Zealand. On 2nd November 1995, Prime Minister John James Bolger, Speaker Honi Batida something. Occupied since 1918, this building refurnished, strengthened and completed was opened over by Her Majesty. Look at the cool architecture, that's pretty awesome. That is cool, isn't it? So that's our pillars. That's a cool building. This is pretty impressive. And the Beehive behind it. It's pretty cool. We've got some news people over there. We could figure out you get inside there. I don't actually think you can even go inside these buildings, but all the same, it's pretty cool. And there, I'm not sure, I can't remember what that is. Looks like a cathedral of some sort. Pretty cool though. That's some pretty impressive, isn't it? That is some pretty impressive. Gotta love Wellington. Lots of entrance stairs. You can't get inside, but that's pretty cool. That is pretty impressive. But stunning architecture for Wellington. Let's get everyone on the top of the door. Dude behind the cameras up there. That is awesome, eh? It's cool if you can go inside. Way more cool if you can go inside it. The clock.
It's an old style
yeah,
door.
Cool, eh?
Push and it spins and circles.
Really?
On the inside.
There you go, it's the thing up there. Cool.
Yeah, government. See that door?
It's all chained.
It spins. Push it.
Hi to Maya, welcome. That's cool. Some pretty original looking doors. Pretty can't look inside. Pretty can't go inside and look inside.
Not inside this, no.
You could if you could.
But the visitor centre, if you want to go in and stuff.
Got the marble and stuff in there. Looks pretty cool inside.
Oh yeah.
It's all marble and stuff. These massive pillars. It's huge. Balcony upstairs. Go out to the great city of Wellington. Show us. Miss the steps. Not as big as the White House at all. So what, if you like that, please subscribe, like, comment down below. Don't forget to the bell to get more notifications. Thank you. It's in a parliamentary building in Wellington and a beehive. See what else we can find.